Guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I don't know what this is stuck in my hair. But anywho, it is actually night right now, but I wanted to start the vlog one day prior because I have just too many jitters inside of me. I am actually tomorrow going to a secret location to work on a very exciting new project. I have been sort of going back and forth about it for a couple of months now, and it is something very, very different. It is something very, very different from what I have done so far, but it is also a very exciting space, so I'm very excited. And as you can tell, there is packing going on, so obviously everything around me is a mess, but I am so nervous and so excited about going tomorrow that I don't know, I'm feeling like this after a very, very long time. So I just wanted to share this with you. There might be a lot of details that I cannot give you guys right now, but still I plan to give you guys as much BTS and inputs and all of that as I can. So yeah, let's go.
You are so heartless, and you don't care, and I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping.
Now finally packed my bags, and I think I'm just going to sleep now because it's actually just about say 10 o'clock, but I need to wake up at probably 2:30 to be able to reach the airport by around say 3, because oh my god, packing is tiring. So I have finished my packing now. Finally, I am super tired, and usually I've been feeling very anxious and all of that, especially if I know that I have travel coming up the next day. मुझे रात को नींद ही नहीं आती, and it's just something that I've been experiencing lately. I've been trying these NYUMI beauty sleep gummies. They are in the super yummy blackberry flavor. They have melatonin in them, which helps you sleep better at night. So personally, if you guys have been following me for some time, you know that I have never taken anything to help me sleep better. Honestly, because even when a lot of things were not working out in my life, I've never taken anything that I've never taken a sleeping pill or anything of that sort. So I was very hesitant, I'll be honest, to try these out, but I have been using them for the past at least 10 days now, and I have had such sound sleep. These gummies are clinically proven, and they show that 94% slept longer and deeper, and 93% saw a drastic reduction in their stress. Oh my god, I didn't think that it is going to work, and it's not addictive or anything of that sort in any way. Actually, the flavor is also very tasty. All you need to do is just take 2 gummies and you are good to go. And within 30 minutes or so, you get really relaxed, and then you calm down and you have a really nice sleep. I think with sleep is it's not about the amount of sleep that you have, but it's also the quality of sleep that you get, because with the kind of hectic schedules that I'm sure all of us have, sleep kind of becomes a very late priority, and I decided that I want to actually prioritize having good sleep. So that's why I tried these out. Honestly, this is my genuine honest review. This is actually something that has helped me a ton. So if you are looking for a 2-in-1 situation which will help you sleep better and also has good ingredients for you, this is definitely something you must try.
It has melatonin, which helps you relax, and it also has pomegranate extract, which helps in repair and regeneration when your body is in sleep mode.
And they're actually very, very helpful. I feel like if you don't sleep well, your skin gets affected, and if you have something that helps you sleep well and also has good ingredients, then that is like a 2-in-1 double dhamaka. So that's why I've been trying these out. I have also been trying their Radiant Skin Gummies. It's in the other room. I'll probably have that tomorrow morning. So this is sort of what I do. Like, I have this in the night and I have that in the morning, and it has really made a lot of difference in my skin. So I just wanted to show you, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So now I've had my gummies, and good night, y'all. See you tomorrow.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping.
Hi guys, so I'm on my way to the airport now, and as you can see, I'm extremely sleepy and groggy. But 5:25 की flight है. I have hopefully left on time, so let's hope everything goes smoothly from here. Let's go.
La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
We are done with security and check-in. Off to the gate, but we still have time to board, so I'll probably just, there's not much to do at the airport this early in the morning, so I'm just probably going to sit and eat a little bit.
'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
Finally, we have reached Chennai, and these early morning flights are actually but we are here, so we have a long jam-packed day in front of us. It's actually raining. I don't know how it is raining in December, but it is. Anywho, we shall see. I don't think we have anything outdoors, so I think that is a plus. But yeah, what's happening with Chennai and rains in December? Anyways, we are on our way to the hotel, and I'm going to quickly go keep my bag, probably take a quick shower, and then head on for our secret project. I have just checked into the room, so I wanted to quickly give you a tour before I take a shower and head out. So this is as we enter. This is the bathroom. Hello. And this is like the wardrobe area. This is very, very handy because I have a lot of things that I would want to hang. And this is the lovely room. Woohoo! Radisson blue. So I am super excited about this bed, but we shall explore this tonight. But we shall explore this bed tonight. Right now I am in a super tight time crunch. I need to take a shower and head out. So let's take a shower and let's head out and let's get some work done. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Editing Shruti coming right in to give you some important information. I realized that I didn't tell you exactly why I was going to Chennai. So basically, I'm going to shoot for Quizmaster in Chennai. It is an app that is, something like never been done before sort of a thing. Once you download the app, you'll have better idea of what I'm talking about. It's basically a place where you can win rewards if you get the answer right, and it's just basic general knowledge questions, and it is a very fun space to be. And I really wanted to explore this opportunity because I get to be sort of the anchor, the showrunner for something so different. It almost made me feel like I was the host of KBC. Download the Quizmaster app and let me now take you through how the shoot went. Hey guys, good morning, and we are on our way to the set location, and the hotel staff has been very kind to pack me some breakfast. I asked them, I request them yesterday if they can, and I'm very happy and thankful that they did that. So now on our way to the set, then get ready. It's like I'm actually very excited because I don't usually, I'm the one like, you know, doing like hair, makeup and all of that, and now I get to like sit and then someone else does my hair and makeup, so that's like kind of cool. I like it. So yeah, busy day today, loads of things to do. I better have my brain ka A game on because I have a lot of things to remember by heart and say. So wish me luck. Bye. What are we going to do today?
Today we are going to do a lot of rock and roll.
Good morning.
Jante.
Jante.
Producer is on.
Hello, producer sir. What is it?
Don't leave me alone.
So this is the outfit for the day. This is what the set looks like. I got my script. बहुत ही तगड़ा स्क्रिप्ट है, बहुत सारी लाइंस याद करने हैं. So
Wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone.
costume change. This is what I'm wearing for look 2. We are waiting for the camera to become normal. Like थोड़ा overheating हो जाता है. So that's what we are doing now. I'm also waiting to have some papaya. And this is look 2. Stay tuned.
Running from every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it. I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone.
I'm having dinner now. Usually I avoid having rice when I'm shooting because मुझे बहुत नींद आ जाती है राइस खाने के बाद, बट अभी तो यही अवेलेबल है. तो इन ट्रू साउथ इंडियन स्टाइल आई एम हैविंग कर्ड राइस, टोमेटो भात, चटनी एंड क्यूकम्बर एंड पिकल, क्योंकि वी आर रनिंग बिहाइंड स्केड्यूल अभी और बहुत ज़्यादा काम बाकी है. एंड मेरी फ्लाइट जो है वो 5:30 बजे की है. एंड द थिंग अबाउट बैंगलोर इज दैट the city is 2 hours away from the airport, so I have to leave by like 1 anyhow, and it's already 10 and we still have 4 more episodes to go.